Hello and welcome to a new Dota 2 report. Last time I was able to join the actual game and control one of the dire heroes. I'm playing as Phoenix. Here, look. See?
It was nice to battle with you guys. I'm going back to my single-player PvE farm game now.
Bird? Talking?
Yes.
Ho-ho!
And my next order of business, now that I'm part of this game, is to do this.
Oh yeah, we have 2 couriers.
I know too well how it is to be a pitiful, grounded courier.
You're like a parrot, huh?
Radiant's middle tower is under attack. Dire's structures are fortified.
Alright, teleporting in.
Damn it all, I still can't time that's right.
W.
Ah! Tidehunter get revenge on Kunkka! Ravage!
Bitch!
Wow, that was shockingly one-sided.
Friends help kill Kunkka again!
Yes,
Yay!
Yes, that went very smoothly. Nice ravage, Tidehunter.
Bird is talking.
Yeah, that was weird. There was absolutely no ebb and flow to that fight at all. We just sort of ran over them. I don't know what this feeling is.
Shall we push the middle lane?
Hey, so Terrorblade just asked me to ask you what item you think you should buy next.
Tidehunter doesn't know.
A Black King bar, I guess? Sure.
Oh, what's that do?
It's great. It gives you strength, damage, and it can be activated to give you spell immunity and magic resistance.
Nice. That sounds great. So I'd be immune to all spells then?
Yeah, sure. Mostly. Kind of. There are a few spell-piercing exceptions. A few dozen. Like over 100.
Oh.
Yeah. Gameplay depth. Tidehunter?
I am Tidehunter.
Did you use any other spells after using Ravage?
No.
Well, you see, Rubik is able to steal the last spell you used.
Uh-huh.
Which means he just stole Ravage.
Yep.
Which is bad.
Tidehunter is sorry.
Hello!
Uncomfortable!
I'm back!
Run away!
Good idea.
Yeah! That's some montage-worthy shit right there, hey, Rubik? Okay, I think it's about Bloodstone o'clock. Courier, buy a soul ring and the Bloodstone recipe.
Yeah. Ah!
Okay, now bring that shit up here to the secret shop.
Wait, courier. My stash. Retrieve. Yasha.
Hey! I'm using the courier. Hands off.
Yasha.
My turn. I was using it first.
Hey,
No, get off. Oh, come on, you're right there in the base. Just f***ing get it yourself.
Hi.
Okay, let's see. First step. Yeah! Okay, hand me those, please. Okay, finally have all the pieces. Now, to combine them to create the Bloodstone. Now I'm unstoppable. The health and mana regeneration of the Bloodstone will allow me to decimate my enemies. They won't know what hit them, and if things get too dicey, I can kill myself. Ah, Jesus!